Hi, this is Franck Parera, driver for K-PAX Lamborghini, and we are now in Paul Ricard. So now coming fifth gear to the turn 1, shift down to the second. Immediately you go on the third gear to exit on the first 2 corners. Going up to the fifth gear, it's a small straight. This one is quite fast on entry. You shift down to third and second. You have to cut. You see inside is movement, very slow part of the track, hairpin in first gear. And now this is very important part because you are going into the really long straight. You can use a little bit of track limit, but it's okay. And now it's time for a coffee. I would say it's a really long straight. Normally sometimes you have, like for the Formula 1 here, there is a chicane here, but for us we just keep on the straight line. We can reach 270 to 280 km/h. This one is the fastest corner. We shift only to 5th gear, small brake. This one is one of the best corner. Big oversteer. In 3rd gear. It's a Bose corner, it's a really nice one. This one is 2nd gear. It's a left one, which because you have a lot of corner on the right and then suddenly you have the left corner, so sometimes a bit of movement. And now you go to the second last corner, long to 2nd gear, and last corner hairpin again in 1st gear. Exit is also very important to finish line. This is a lap of Paul Ricard, south of France.